Red Cross is once again offering to install smoke detectors in the homes of senior citizens. As 22 News reporter Cy Becker found out, there are hundreds of new smoke detectors ready to be installed free of charge.
Since 2014, the Western Massachusetts Red Cross has worked with dozens of fire departments, installing thousands of new smoke detectors in the homes of senior citizens. Now, some 400 more smoke detectors will be placed in homes, free of charge.
We've had across the United States 552 lives saved, and we've installed several thousand in the Western Mass area.
Springfield Fire Commissioner B.J. Calvey confirmed that since the advent of smoke detectors, deaths resulting from house fires have declined.
Prior to the widespread proliferation of smoke detectors in homes, I would say that the fire deaths were at least 75% higher before smoke detectors.
But given the speed with which fires spread, smoke detectors provide crucial minutes and even seconds of warning that can save lives.
Not having smoke alarms is quite a hazard, and we've seen nationwide the number of fatal fires is increasing. The problem is that homes will flash over within 2 minutes now. Back years ago, it would take longer for, fire would smolder for a while before it would flash over and people had more time to get out. Now you have less than 2 minutes to get out.
The Red Cross has 400 smoke detectors to install in Springfield homes during the weekends of April 27th and May 4th. But only 200 people have registered thus far. You can find links to register for free installation of smoke detectors in your home on our website at wwlp.com. In Springfield, Cy Becker, 22 News.